Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 14 by 14 inch canvas, some Maiden Black paint, and I have put it on the sides as well as a nice layer that will spread beautifully with my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula from Good Grips that's on my Amazon link, that's on the link tree, that's under Show More under the video. I highly recommend these. They are, bar none, the best paint spreading tool I know of. I'm inclined to put, I was going to put a line of black down the center. I believe I'm going to use the new French Silk, which is buttercream mint, beautiful, shimmering, and it's a little more warm toned than the Chantilly Lace, which is another thing that I do like to use. So if you don't have the French Silk, use the Chantilly Lace. That's my recommendation. Take all the rest of the paint off there. Wipe it off on my rag and my low-leafy silicone mat. If I want to use it again, I can. Okay, so I'm going to put, I may put Cell Activator right down the middle of this. I'm thinking about it. Although, now that I'm really thinking about it, I want to put a whole bunch of colors in here, so. I know it takes me a little longer to get it out of the bottle than people do pouring out of cups. But I also don't have to mix my paint as often. Don't go over the edge. I don't want you to go. That is some Sparkle City right there. Alright, now I think I'm going to blow that around. Or, better yet, it is a fairly dense consistency. I am mixing with Vivid Polypore. Now, I have to decide where I start, and I mixed the orange, the new orange that I will list under the video, with some Big Apple. I'm going to double dose it. And I want some sour lemon. Oh, and I don't want that piece of fluff. Good, gone, yay. I use Glad sticky wrap to put labels on, and then you have to put another layer over the label or your fingers wear off the printing. My mixture of paint looks similar to Bonfire, so if you don't have the colors I have, you could use Bonfire. I want to use some Tuscan Sun, which is very similar but not the same. It's a little warmer. That just makes me want some gold. Alright, I'm going to do it. I'm going to put some Mayan gold in there also. I love how it's dendriting on one side but not on the other. That doesn't make any sense to me. I've got poinsettia. As soon as I get it open. I want to use a lot of pink, but I want to get the other colors down first. Here is the actual Big Apple. I don't think I'm going to worry about that little dot of gold. Oh, I love this new Pink Carnation, my new favorite. Right there, right next to Pink Diamond. It's stunning. and one down the middle, just because. Speaking of pink diamond, it's going to come right after this orange, which I did mention that I would put the name of underneath the video. I lost the label off the bottle and it's just that new. Now I'm trying to figure out what blue to put in there, if any, and maybe I should just stick with a purple, which case, before the pink diamond, let's do a little African violet. I have some deep amethyst that might be stellar. Alright, this is the big deal here. The pink diamond. I'd like to be the star of this show. And I'm going to use my spatula. I wasn't sure I was going to, but I am. And I'm going to use black Aussie Cell Activator. And I'm glad to see that there is enough. I may have to keep reapplying that. Yes, I did. I just wiped off my spatula. I expect that to keep developing. But I'm thinking I've got some orange unicorn spit added to some Aussie Floetrol, and I might like to try it. Especially over there where nothing's happening right now. That's kind of freaking me out. That would be a first time for everything. So let's move on to the purple. That was really weird. I think I can still rescue it, but I'm going to go over here and pull that down. I'm going to use some of that purple cell activator over here. Thinking about going back and grabbing some white, or some gold and some white. Wow, that was a lot of paint for a mistake. Let's hope I can rectify this error in my judgment. I've got some magenta. I am pretty sure I can make this pretty. That was gorgeous. I am scraping off the blade of my spatula. See if my magenta is open. I like the magenta and the gold, what that did. I really want to tip this right now. Well, I wanted to tip one of these, so I guess this is the one I might tip. Okay, if I go this way, I'm going to use my purple cell activator, dioxazine purple, Master's Touch. I was tripping right over my tongue there. I do like the aspect of being able to drag my spatula through, make it look a lot more organic. Oh, I did like that orange. This looks similar to a few of my other pieces, but that's okay because they're some of my favorite pieces. So now, do I tip it? there are some really, really gorgeous aspects to this. I don't know if you can see the shimmer, but I can see the shimmer because I set up my cell phone on a clamp, and it's just awesome. So this is beautiful. In spite of the fact that I panicked for a bit, I kind of forget sometimes that the cells will just keep exploding. And yes, I am going to take a risk and motivate some of my paint to move by tipping, and that's okay too. I think what I want to do, I've lost all my little tools. I cleaned up my studio and I know they're here somewhere, but in the meantime what I've got are a few so my little acetate tools. I'll try and remember to put the link underneath the video. They're very nice to have, and they're just really easy to make. I've got some paint in my dish. Those are great colors. Definitely thinking more orange next time. It's very flamey, very much like fire. The more I put my tool in there, the more it looks like flames. I think I'm going to use a straw just to see what's in here. Not that one, evidently. One that I haven't used before. Beautiful colors. I think that's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to try and zoom in for you, and maybe I'll even bring my cell phone down. If I have any colors left, I will touch my, whoop. If I have any colors left on my finger after I stick it in there. Let's just come right down here. It does look like other things, but those other things are, as I said, beautiful things. Let's see what I can do from up here. Can you see that shimmer? It's very, very nice. And so are those cells. I don't know if turning the light on is a good idea or not. That gold, that Mayan gold is just the bomb. Wrong direction. These are my favorite color combinations. The oranges and the pinks and the purples. What can I say? I can't hold the camera and manipulate the focus, so I'm going to just move the painting into your view. Alright, so I love you guys. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I have over 2,500 videos organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. And if you need a link, just let me know. I'll do my best to give you a hand. In comments, just ask me and I'll respond to you. I wish that my camera would autofocus, but it's time for a recalibration. Those are beautiful colors. I'm very happy with this. This pretty much worked the way I was hoping for, even though it didn't seem like it was going that way for a while. Now, if I put some hearts in there, I'll be all ready for Valentine's Day. Okay, so where was I? On my link tree below Show More, underneath the video, underneath the 20% off coupon for Colour Arte products is the link tree, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, My Amazon link, if you shop there, it's no added cost to you and it helps me out, and I really appreciate the help. My 2 books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, and all kinds of other cool stuff. There's like 4 lists of paints and additives and tools and my books. If you give me a like, a thumbs up would be very appreciated. Thank you so much for watching the videos longer. That really helps my channel standing. When the videos play, they're at noon and midnight Eastern Standard Time most days. So if you happen to be around for that when you know they're going to come out, that also helps my standing on YouTube. So thank you very much for your kind words and your lovely comments. They keep my morale boosted. And if you'd like to be included in the monthly drawing, you can see the prizes, excuse me, at the beginning of the exhibition video that I add to the end screen of this video in the last 20 seconds. And at the very, very beginning, you will see for March 2022, there's a book, there's a calendar, there's a half-an-hour consultation, there's an 8x10 of your choice of style, or there's a choice of 1 of 3 paintings. And if I'm missing a prize, it's a pretty good prize package. You just have to pick one. I gotta clarify that. My spring clothing is under the video. On my link tree, it's Le Gallerist, clothing made in Montreal. It's investment quality. And Fine Art America and Pixels.com are one and the same. They're on the link tree. If you can't find what you're looking for, please just ask me. If you have the hashtag from the title of the video, I can usually add something so that you can have it that way. My email address is easpb, in the word gallery, spelled out, @gmail.com. It's under the link tree. I do give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. My paint pouring recipes and my cell activator recipes should be easily found underneath the video. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you so much for being here. Come again, and I love you very much. I appreciate the inspiration, and you have helped me keep painting for a long time now, so thank you for all the donations too. Bye for now. Priscilla out. See you anon.